Hey everyone, so let's start with the question sets from Gelateria. Man, gelato sounds really good, even though it's a little bit cold right now. It might be a really good refreshment for me because I'm really busy with school right now. But anyways, let's just go over the questions really quick for each ice cream shop and let's get started. So for A, it's form a line, order a cone different than the previous customer. How many ice creams are possible for B? Part C is suggest one extra flavor and how many ice creams are possible now. And D is what is a good way to visualize all possible cones for B and C. So we'll start with the next one. So let's start with the very first one, which is Gelateria Prima. So the scenario here says that choose one scoop only of ice cream, and also you need one flavor of syrup. So the very first question is asking, well, choose a combination different than the person before you. So all you just need to is just pick a different syrup and an ice cream flavor than the person that ordered ice cream for you. So, for example, we could just say that strawberry syrup with vanilla ice cream. Then the next person could be chocolate syrup with pistachio ice cream. Then could be the third person could be let's think. What about strawberry syrup with chocolate ice cream? Damn, that sounds really good. So then the next part is asking, well, how many different total combinations can be made with the syrup and the ice cream flavors? So the answer here is 16. And the reason why is because 4 times 4 is 16. 4 different ice cream flavors and 4 different syrup flavors equals 16 different combinations of syrup and ice cream. Now we can think of it like this way. Think of it as we have 4 different ice cream flavors, right? So let's just think of one of them, vanilla. And there's 4 different syrup flavors. So for one vanilla ice cream, you can have 4 different types of syrup. So you could have pistachio, you could have chocolate, strawberry, and again vanilla. Right? So if we can have 4 different topping or 4 different syrups on one ice cream, and we have 4 different flavors of ice cream, we can tell that it's 4 times 4 is 16. So there's 16 different combinations. The next question is asking, well, if we add another flavor of ice cream, how many total combinations will be there? So let's think about this. So for example, let's add our 5th flavor for ice cream and syrup to be blueberry flavor. Alright, if we think of the same way as last question, we can say that there's 5 different ice cream flavors and 5 different syrups, right? So if we take one of the ice cream flavors and we can choose from 5 different syrup flavors, this means that for each ice cream, you can have 5 different combinations, right? Because you gotta choose one on one. So if you have 5 of them, that means it's 5 times 5, which equals 25. And so for D, the best way to represent the scenarios from B and C would probably be using a tree diagram. And we'll be probably using a tree diagram for the rest of these question sets. So as you can see, as what I was saying, so there are 5 branches, or 4 for the very first one, 4 branches of different ice cream flavors. Then again, it branches from each individual ice cream flavors to 4 different syrup flavors. So this means that each ice cream has 4 different combinations, and there's 4 of them, right? So there's the strawberry one, there's the vanilla one, there's a chocolate one, and there's a pistachio one. So in total, you can see if you count them out, it's 16. Same goes for the 5 ice cream flavors, if you add an extra one. So 5 ice cream flavors and 5 syrup. So you can see that there are 5 different ice cream flavors, and there are 5 branches that branch out from them, which are the 5 syrup flavors. And if you total them up, it totals up to 25 different combinations.